How many classical dance form exist in India? India the classical dance form kaya exist hobo ay nipan tawebako. India the classical dance form nipan exist tawi. Number 1 Bharatanatyam kari state kino hadi Tamil Nadu gi. Number 2 dana Kathak. Number 3 dana Uttar Pradesh. Number 2 dana Kathak si kari state kino hadi Uttar Pradesh ki ko. Number 3 dana Kathakali kari state kino hadi Kerala. Number 4 dana Mohiniyattam kari state kino hadi Kerala gi ni suye. Number 5 to Odissi kari state kino Odisha. Number 6 the Satriya kari state kino Assam. Number 7 the Manipuri kari state kino Manipur ko. Number 8 the Kuchipudi kari state kino Andhra Pradesh. Kuntare lak hangre TCS the. The question number 2 the Lahore session of Indian National Congress held on 19 December 1929. December tang 1929 da pangthokiba Lahore session do kanana Indian National Congress INC na sida kanana president oiba Jawaharlal Nehru na mai significant yam oi kayino haidari it passed the resolution masina to pass the ko resolution na kari resolution ari to demand Purna Swaraj and tricolor flag was unfurled for the first time. Masida kay first the Purna Swaraj complete independence ki resolution adu pass tawgi aduga yan hanbo oina tricolor machu ahum gi firal do unfurled tawgi singkat kieba aduna neba we Lahore session of Indian National Congress 19 December 1929 jam maru oriche ki president kana hoita Jawaharlal Nehru ne khangsil loko Purna Swaraj maru ina Purna Swaraj ki nang ni mathang da the lowest layer of the atmosphere where air density is highest lowest layer haidai no kwadagi nembal layer haidari of the atmosphere kari atmosphere where air density is highest name lovely namagi nusit ki density kung basang yam wangle which lies up to 16 km aduga ground dagi na kya 16 km bo wang na layeba above equator dagi and 8 km above over polar region adu polar region ki mafam dana ada north pole south pole north polar region mafam dana tare polar region mafam dana kilometer nipan mugwang na leibase where vital atmospheric process like climatic and weather conditions take place hai mafam sida climatic and weather conditions bang thoeba adugumba mafam atmospheric layer do kai goeba lowest layer do troposphere atmosphere ki layer makhal mangani stratosphere mesosphere and ionosphere lay makhal manga lay budu ko mesosphere mathang da question number 4 da in the year 1978 the solising among samapan 78 1978 the 44th amendment eliminated right to acquire hold and dispose property right to property as a fundamental right solising among samapan Homdra Nivan the 44 amendment na right to property have a right to do fundamental right amo ina uramadagi logthoki ko tam kanda 1978 ta amendment kya so na 44 amendment na ko polity ni sina matang da question number 5 the deficiency of which nutrient causes night blindness or poor vision the deficiency of which nutrient karamba nutrient what pana night blindness na to poor vision avoid the night blindness one to poor vision hadi ubada nungai thon manoba vitamin A ko vitamin A what pana ko the night blindness to poor vision tholi. Next, the question number 6. How many fundamental duties are set out in para 4A 51 Article 51A of the Constitution of India? Constitution of India Article 51A the fundamental duties kya lebanova fundamental duties part kya no 4 part 4A the ko part 4 the principles ni part part 3 na fundamental right ni part 4 A the fundamental duties ya the fundamental right kya so no fundamental right Article 51A na matugina article fundamental right tramatoi fundamental right hai sorry Article 51A part 4A ki matugina fundamental duties kya no haba tramatoi ni haba ko mathang da chicken pox influenza hepatitis dengue polio rabies AIDS rinderpest swine flu and common cold are caused by which microorganism sida piriba disease singje virus na thon mangta ni hai khangjin gadaba ko chicken pox su virus na tholi influenza su virus na tholi hepatitis su virus na tholi dengue virus na thon mani polio virus thon mani rabies virus na thon mani AIDS virus na thon mani rinderpest virus na thon mani swine flu virusna thohanbani and common cold moisingse kanana thohanbani virus na ko. Question number 7 da question number 8 da ko, which article related to Jammu and Kashmir has been revoked recently? Jammu and Kashmir mai lena article karambase revoke tawgibano ba? Jammu Kashmir ga mai lena article revoke tawgibado kyane ba article thokibado article 370. Matang the total value of goods and service produced in a country during a given period. The total value apunba value of goods and service, goods and service produced in a country during a given period. Apiba period amai matam amai manung da laiba goods and service ki value do kai ko national income ko. The total value of goods and service produced in a country during a given period. Given period apiba period amai manung da apiba period amai manung da goods and service total value do country do national income ko. Matang the question number 10 the, who wrote Ain I Akbari Akbarnama, the title of 3-volume biography of Akbar. Ain I Akbari siam to hang mani pekada Akbarnama haidi Akbari biography haidi punsi wari volume ahum yaw ko. Ain I Akbari kanan iramuna Abul Fazal ni ibane ko. Question number 10 gi Abul Fazal.